Hello everybody, welcome to this teaching video about how to handle MT5 platform, some trading basics, and also how to make trading with combining two different indicators with the do prime MT5 platform. So let's go, let's begin with it. So this is how look the MT5 platform when you install in the computer. So let's make some modification about it in order to see more friendly. So at first we are going to modify this option here in order to make the graphic more bigger. So let's make this even bigger right now. The market in this moment is closed, so well, anyway, it doesn't matter right now because I'm not going to open operations right now. So this is how you see the market when you open the platform. So let's modify in order to make it more friendly to all of us. So at first I want to put okay. I want to add some new symbols. So I'm going to add gold. This is gold right now. Okay. I make plus and USD GPY is here. I want to add also GBP JPY, so GBP JPY, yes. Okay, with these three pairs and Euro USD, I think we are going to be more confident in order to do it. So let's see how I try to put this. Okay, view, toolbars, standard, line, and time frame. I think this should be line studies. So I want to put this. Okay, right here. No. Okay, that's what I want to do. Into different lines, right? So we just drag and put below in order to see more easily. So the next option that I want to take is to press this in order to make the graphic to see at the bottom of the right side. So the next thing is to modify something like this in order to make the graphic even more bigger. So also I recommend to modify this in order to see more cleaner, less complicated to us. So let's put a right click in the mouse, click in properties. So we are going to uncheck the okay, to scroll, show. We are going to uncheck the grid, and colors. Well, the color from the candles we can modify here. They are saying that the bottom candles will be are the line inside black, right? And the bar down are also line all the candles. So I recommend instead of that the bar down to modify to red, okay, and beer candle to modify to red. So this is how they will see, and also bulb candle to make it green line. That's right. So you can see the candles more clearly when are bar up candle or bar down candle, right? So yes, this is more clearly. So let's erase this indicator that are a moving average, this red line that you are seeing here. So let's okay, time frame, template. Okay, I can see here the indicators. Indicators list, right? Indicator list. So moving average, delete, close. So yes, that's what I want to see. So some basics about trading. The first thing is when you are seeing a candle had four parts, right? So let's do it something like this. All right, I'm going to use the Epic pen. So a candle is made for, okay, yes. The superior, the bottom of the candle, the open price, the open price, and the close price. So when a bar up candle form something like this, that I want to show, that is this candle. So when a candle that is going to grow and is a bar up candle, the open price is the price when the candle start to form, right? So this is the open price. And then also the candle maybe could make some down movement, right? So temporarily down movement, and then start to make a move up move to the price, right? So because we are seeing in the 15 minutes time frame, this means that every candle that we are seeing take 15 minutes, every one of them, right? Every one of them. Also with the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, even weaker, the week candle and the monthly candle are the candles that are indicate to us the time that they were forming. So we have the candle. This is a bar of candle. This is the open price. This is the minimum price. Okay. This is the closing price, and this is the top price. This is the four parts that add a candle, right? This is very important because we are going to analyze the different kind of candle patterns, and these help us to predict, okay, some probably movement about these candles that we are seeing. So when this is a bar up candle, right? The principal difference when the bar down candle, this is a bar down candle, right? Is because the open price in a upper candle, a candle that is going to grow, right? The open price becomes here, right? And with a bar down candle, the open price begins here, right? Because the price closed below the open price. And in a bar up candle, the price closed in the superior area. So that's very important difference that we have to know, right? So the next thing that I want to tell you is some basics about trading, right? So basic that I want to show. So I'm going to write it. So okay, let's do it in a big font size. So okay, the first is the price move in trends, right? This is the first. Oh, this is kinda big. Okay, I want to move it. Oh, yes, the price moving trends. So let's try to modify it. Delete properties. Okay, I can only write. I will make it not so bigger. So yes. The first thing is the price move in trends, right? So I'm going to put the control button and make this okay. To make this some kind to copy something, I just press the control button in the computer and drag this object, and then they copy automatically. So let's modify the second lesson. So the price move in trends, the history always repeat. I will explain this later, right? This is the second. The history always repeat. And the third and last lesson will be properties. Is the price always shows everything. So what is this about? This is the third lesson. Third. Okay. Yes. This is the three basics, the fundamental basics about I want to delete, so I select this. I want to time frame, refresh object list, so I want to delete the first one, and that's all. Okay, so this is the basic about trading. If you want to do trading, you must know this, because with this you can build everything. You can form your own trading system, right? So what is the meaning of the price always move in trends? There are only three types of trends. The upper trend, right? What is an upper trend? An upper trend is a graphic. It's a candles in a candles graphic, in which you are seeing that the price are doing points like this, that we are naming like lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, etc., etc., etc. So this is a upper trend, uptrend, right? This uptrend is the number one trend, right? Uptrend. So we are here right now seeing the Euro USD in 15 minutes. Where we are going, what we are seeing? Well, simple, an upper trend, right? Higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, etc., etc., right? So the second trend are the low trends, right? The low trends are something like this, right? So this is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? This is the second kind of trend. And the third kind of trend are the sideways, right? What is a sideways? a trend like this that you don't know what is going on. Is in up and isn't down, so you don't know, but only he's making um, the same moving in the same kind of song, so this only high and lows, but it's no higher and no lower. Maybe I are doing some kind of false breakout in a downtrend or high trend, but begin also to make some sideways. So this is the three kind of trends that you will only see in the markets, right? So how about the history always repeat? This is one of the basic about trading, because okay, I'm going to put this in a daily time frame. So let me separate this thing like this. So how is this about the history always repeat? That is something like in the past something happened, maybe happen also in the future. That's the what I'm making clear. So okay, I can move it, so I will try with the okay. All right, maybe with the daily time frame or time frame. Okay, only charge some this history. So how about this? Something like past, something that happened in the past will probably will happen in the future. It's something like the price always move in trends, right? So let me okay. So it's something like this. You are seeing right now the price of Euro USD in 4 hours. Let's put it in 1 hour, right? So I'm going to draw a trend line, right? Something like this. What is a trend line? A line that is confirmed some points that always repeat, right? Something like this. So right now we are seeing what I showed to all of you, a downtrend, right? A downtrend in something at lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, and then and then broke and begin to do a upper trend, higher highs, higher low, maybe something like that. So in this with this channel that I draw here is teaching us the history always repeat, because if you see with some kind of coincidence, the price when is close to this line begins to behavior in order to go up and down when it's against this trend line. It's something like, okay, I am start here, I'm going to up, and when I in this price I'm going to down, but when I in the bottom of this channel I'm going to up, and when it's the the upper side of this channel I go down, something like this. So you can predict this because always the history repeat. Also when we are seeing changes, but we have to change our trading system. So we can make trading using some simple trend lines, right? The trend lines also is some kind of a very simple system to make operation of trading. Okay, so this is the explanation about the history always repeat. So also there are areas that are very important in order to do a better trading. So I'm going to delete this object list and the trend lines. I'm going to delete this and delete this. So what I want to show, something like this. Okay, something like this. We are seeing that the price form here something that we call a support, right? A support are area in which the price comes with a very hard low downtrend, right? And the price comes to in this kind of area move to up. The price comes to move to up. Then if the price come back to this area and make the same movement, this show to us that this area is very important, right? When it comes to make more buyers interested in order to make the price move up, right? So if you are trading, you can see that this area is very important. So the price, when comes back to this area with a very high probabilities, maybe could to go up, and we are seeing that right now. So this is called a support area, right? And this also confirms to us the history always repeat, right? This thing about the history always repeat also makes sense to us, to the human beings. You know, the human beings always are fighting one side against the another side. You know, in United States, you are seeing that the Democrats against the Republic, maybe the Socialists against the capitalism, the globalists against the scientifics. I don't know. Everything is in the humanity is something like this, right? So the history always repeat. And the last one is the price always shows everything. That's what that it means. That means that the price are showing us what is going on about the symbol, right? So the price is showing us about the movement about Euro USD, right? If you see there is a downtrend, right? If you see a downtrend, is because the euro are weaker against the USD. And what is this happening? Because maybe there are some kind of news that make the euro weaker against the USD. Maybe some kind of war is happening in the eurozone, or maybe there is economic news that is against the euro, right? And here, when you are seeing this, maybe something happened in which that make the price going up, right? So the price always shows with the numbers what is going on what is going on with the symbol, whether is the Euro USD, gold, Nasdaq, SP 500, Hong Kong indicators. I don't know everything about the market. The price is showing us what is going on, right? The price of companies, right? If a company, if the price of some company is going down, something is going to happen, or are going to happen, or is happening with this company, right? What is called Apple or Tesla, I don't know, Amazon, Microsoft, right? So the price always show to us everything. Maybe we don't know the news about something, but the price is showing us that always if that something is happening to this symbol, right? Okay, so this should be clear. So this is the very basics about trading, right? So I'm going to erase this text. Okay, delete. Oh, okay, I'm going to show you something very let's put this in 4-hour time frame, right? This is a 4-hour time frame. So maybe this area, this is a support, right? Some kind of floor, right? This is a resistance, right? This is an upper zone that maybe we are seeing the Euro USD in 4-hour time frame. This is the 1st of 12th of July, but the market is closed. So maybe in this area, maybe the price begins to behave like this, and then comes down. Okay, maybe it's going to comes down. Maybe like if we can make some very simple trend line, right? A trend line that makes coincidence with the most kind of point, the most similar points. Let's put it in 1-hour time frame, right? So maybe the Euro USD in the next session is going to moving down, and this area, there is a coincidence with this trend, with this upper trend line, begins to move up, right? So if you are in the London season or New York season, and you draw this trend line, and you see that the Euro USD is coming down but is closing to this area, you put very attention, because maybe in some kind of this area begins again to form some candles that are showing us that probably is going to make to the upper side again, right? So it's something like this. It's something like you can see, you have the ability to see some patterns, right? To see clearly patterns, because if you don't draw trend lines, if you don't draw resistance and support areas, you will see only a random movement. You will see this with no sense. You will see this that is something very complicated, right? But this is not complicated. We are doing this complicated, but trading is very simple, right? You should teach trading as simple as you can do, right? So this is the basic about trading, right? This is the basic about trading. So I recommend to show the graphic something like this, and maybe draw. I will draw. Okay, I want to draw. Let's go to insert objects, lines, channel, shades, maybe shades. Okay, a rectangle. This is the resistance area. Right click, properties of this rectangle. I'm going to make it with, because it's a resistance, maybe I want to draw, okay, red is a good color. Maybe with this. Parameters, visualizations, all time frames. Okay. Something like this. Parameters and fill it. Right. So I want to draw again. So I'm going to use the control button in my computer, and right click and properties, but make it maybe with another color, maybe blue. I don't know. What is the blue color? Blue. This is blue. Okay, blue. Fill right. So why red and why blue? I draw it red because it's going to make it down. I fill it with blue because it's make with this support we make it to the upper side. So right now we are going to start. Okay, I'm going to use this. I want to save this as a template, so I'm going to save this template in order to make it easy. So this template, I'm going to save it, and I want to name it as, I don't know, teaching trading, something like this. Teach trading. So let's move to USD CHF. That is the Swiss franc. So this is okay. We are seeing the candles as not as a candles, not with this kind of draw. So I will make it something like this. I will make the right click, template, and this appear right here, teaching trading. I do click and right. You can see the same as Euro USD, right? So it's easily. So I'm going to use USD JPY, right? So I just click and drop to this zone. So I want to teach to you all some trading lessons, right? With two indicators right now. So I'm going to add insert indicators, right? There are 5 types of indicators. There are trends indicators, oscillators. So right now I'm going to add an indicator that is an oscillator that is called the relative strength index, right? So okay, I make it white with a bigger line, level, scale, right? Visualization. Well, everything is okay. So this is the RSI indicator, right? And what is going on with this indicator? This indicator is showing to us when the price is over buying or is over sell, right? It's something like when it's going to with the 17 or 13 area, when it's going to this area, coincidentally the price going up. In this area the price is going up. In this area the price going up, right? And also we are seeing this a very strong upper trend, and you can see also in I'm going to delete because yeah, something like in this area, right, is going down, in this area going down, in this area going down very little, right, in this area going down, and that's all, right? And so you can isn't it not happen with a 100%, right? Because there is no 100% trading system that always are correct, right? That doesn't exist, right? But you can have some kind of confirmation in which the price is forming in with oversell or overbuy areas is a very, there will be a very high probability that the price is going in a oversell area, is going to move up, 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 and when it's in a overbuy area, something like this, is going to move down, is going to move down. I'm going to make it bigger, something like this, right? So this is the basic about the RSI, right? So in order to do a better trading system, right, we are going to combine two kinds of indicators, right? We are going to combine two indicators. So I'm going to insert another indicators, but this is not an oscillator. Instead, this is a trend indicator that is called parabolic SAR, right? So we put here, I'm going to make it white because we are in a black background, so white you will see more clearly. So we are going to accept. So I'm going to show you something very interesting with this system, right? Okay. I'm going to move something like this. So we are going to at first we are going to search when with the RSI indicators you can see an area when the RSI is above the 17 area or below the 13 area, right? So in this case is above the 17 area, and of course the price show to us this kind of movement, right? So also the RSI maybe can show to us some false signals, right? Because you are thinking, oh, it's okay, it happens that are in the upper with the 17 area, so it's going to make it down. But what happened is if the price just continue to make it even up and up and up, so you lose your money, right? So that's why I also add the SR indicator, right? That you can see some white points, right? This is white points or white balls, as you can whatever you can name it. So when the points appear below the graphic, this is showing us that you could start a buying operation, right? A buying operation, buying, right? And when it's upper the price, right, you should start a sell, right? A sell operation, right? So you sell here, you sell. So if you combine the both system, you can make a very reliable trading system, right? We are in the USD/JPY with the 30 minutes time frame, right? You can also make it in your computing, right? So in this example, we'll use a sell, right? Because here in the graphic, reach the upper area that is about the 17 in the RSI, right? So when this happens, we should wait. Okay, we should wait the SIR indicator draw the first point that are indicate to us that a sell position should be happening and have a very high probability that the price continue in that direction. So you start a sell position in the first dot, right? You put the stop loss above this point, and the take profit you can do at the same size of the stop loss, right? Or the twice size, right? Because maybe the movement is going to be bigger, right? And sometimes the move is going to making not so bigger moves. So make it a 1-to-1 position, right? Risk to reward 1-to-1 will be better. Or you can also put two positions, right? In just the first take profit area will be this, and the take profit 2 area will be something like this. So the first position reach the take profit 1, and the second position don't make it with the take profit 2 area, but when became to move against you move the stop loss, right, to the take profit 1 area in order to make safer, right? And if the price touch the stop loss, will touch with earnings, right? So let's make an example with a buy example, right? We have okay, this is a buy example. Maybe this is a news. Okay.